Die bestuur van 4 van die Departement van Landbou, Bosbou en Visserry se navorsings- en omgewingsbeskermingsskepe is Dinsdag amptelik aan die vloot oorhandig. Die skepe, onder andere die SAS Sarah Baartman, is voorheen deur Smit & Manley in stand gehou, maar die maatskappy se kontrak het op 31 Maart verstryk en is nie weer hernie nie. Die bestuur van die skepe sal vir die volgende 12 maande deur die vloot behartig word. Vir die Suid-Afrikaanse vloot was dit 'n trotse geleentheid om bevel van die 4 vaartuie aan die onderskeie bevelvoerders te oorhandig.
We have commissioned the SS Africana in April, and this batch now, Sarah Baartman, SS Lillian Ngoyi, SS Ruth First, we are commissioning them today with Victoria Mkhange. For them now is the beginning of the process to operationalize them. We've started with Africana, SS Africana, because there was immediate requirement for Africana to go and conduct the research work that they had to do in order to provide the fishing quotas that they are responsible for.
The responsibility of the South African Navy is to do 2 things. Is to make sure that the research vessels do the research. The 2 research vessels are the Africana and Ellen Kuzwa. The other responsibility that the Navy will take care of would be to make sure that these vessels are doing the patrols so that we can make sure that our marine resources are protected from the poachers.
Integrating the DEF vessels into the South African Navy is a very difficult task, but at the same time it is something that needs to happen. Taking this responsibility, for me as a person, I've quite enjoyed the time now where we have additional vessels, where we can also at the same time sharpen up the skills for our young men and women that recently joined the Navy, so then at the end of the day we can ensure that we have the right capacity, the right skill and the right mindset for us to conduct our business at sea.